What's up everybody, it's day number 39 of my 100 Days of Code challenge, and today I learned all about objects. An object is something with attributes and methods and usually represents something in real life. So today I learned how to create and access objects, as well as how to create and access properties within those objects. I also learned how to loop through objects with a for in loop, as well as how to store objects in arrays and then display them to a web page. And then I put all of this into practice by creating a simple pet directory that has a few pets in it as well as some information about them. And I started by creating a few objects with these pets and their information, and then I created another JavaScript class that uses a for loop to iterate through each object and display their contents to the web page. Alright, that's it for day number 39. If you like this, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll catch you again tomorrow. Have a great day.